Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run local AI with Obsidian. So this setup lets you use AI on your computer to summarize notes, create outlines, and improve your writing while keeping your information private. So first download and install Ulama from its official website, and then Ulama runs the AI model locally and connects it to Obsidian. And make sure it is running, then download a smaller model if your computer has limited memory. Next, open Obsidian and select your vault, and then click the settings icon. Open community plugins and allow third-party plugins if needed. Then click browse and search for local GPT. And then open the plugin and confirm that it supports Ulama. Then click install and enable. After that, open the plugin settings and select the model that you downloaded. And once everything is connected, open local GPT and type a clear prompt, and you can ask it to summarize a note, create an outline, or rewrite a paragraph. And if you see a connection error, make sure that Ulama is running and the correct model is selected. Make sure Ulama is running and the correct model is selected. And just like that, you can now use local AI directly inside Obsidian. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.